Oops. Okay. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here at Crypto Nation. Yeah, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. It's totally free. Anyways, yeah, this crypto market it looked like it's in full effect. I think Bitcoin actually hit 42,000 momentarily. Like early, it was like early this morning, like around like I think it was like close to 3 a.m. Early this morning, Bitcoin actually hit 42,000 momentarily. It was only up there for about maybe for like literally about less than a minute. Then it came back down, but it's still holding good support at let's see where it's at now. Bitcoin is still holding at for it, the way it looks sometime later today or tonight. Oh wow, it looked like it's going to hit 42 soon, 42,000 again soon. Bitcoin has just been on a tear. Like I'm looking at Bitcoin, it's actually even outperforming some alts, which is kind of ironically. Normally, when Bitcoin just pumps just a little bit, it altcoins just go flying. But some altcoins are flying. Um, but yeah, yeah, Bitcoin, yeah, it's at 20. Yep, up 20% for the month. That 1 year is up 145%. Uh, we're up 6% for the day. Look, from the way things are looking, it's going to hit 42K. This caught a lot of people by surprise. I was happy when Bitcoin finally hit 40K yesterday. When it finally hit 40K, then I was like, wow, it just kept pumping. I was like, whoa, are we heading up to 41,000? Then we it surpassed 41,000, and then we got over. And then like I said, early this morning, we hit 42,000. So yeah, it looked like then it pulled back and retraced, but that was healthy. But it looked like, look, as I make this video, look where Bitcoin is at now. Anyways, that's it for Bitcoin. Now talk a little bit about jasmy. Okay, jasmy, it looked like we're finally starting to get our momentum back. Let me see here. Let's look at the see what the volume is. Okay, right now we're at 190% volume. It's looking good. Hopefully we can get more volume, trading volume in, and we can. I'm telling you, man, we're at the price where it can go parabolic at any given time. I knew that one day, Jasmine, we're gonna get our day one day. Our day, like I said, for Jasmine, our day is coming. Our day is definitely coming. Uh, just despite the Jasmine fusters out there, despite the FUD, our day is coming. Now we covered yesterday. I talked about the market cap, how I believe that this bull run we will have a high market cap. Just like other cryptos over there with the high market caps already. Like I said, XRP, um, Loom, Terra Luna Classic went on a nice pump. Their market cap is at 1.4 billion now. So there you go. So if other cryptos can do it, so hey, Jasmine can do it as well. It's already been proven. So I've already debunked that about the whole too high of a market cap. That's already been debunked. Being debunked by looking at the other cryptos. But anyways, yeah, with coin market cap showing we're at 56% of a penny. I don't know if it, like I said, for some reason, Coinbase always shows it being a little bit um, cheaper. But um, yeah, this is looking good at 56% of a penny. But like I said, I believe we're in December. I highly believe by the end of this month, maybe by the first week of June, possibly. Excuse me, I mean by the first week of January. Like I said, it's a crypto market. We don't know when it can happen. We can definitely be at a penny. It can happen within a couple of days, or it can happen in a couple of weeks or a month. We never know. But I believe we are going to be, heading up to that nice price as we get into the 60s, then 70s. I'm telling you, believe once we finally hit 0.0060 or 60% of a penny, I believe from there we can just go flying at any time. Also, the fact that Bitcoin is showing strength, the fact that Bitcoin is showing strength. Yeah, we definitely it's going to be flying. Like I said, we just got to be everybody who's holding Jasmy. We just got to be patient. Our day is coming, especially everyone who's holding like a million plus tokens. We're definitely gonna our day is definitely coming for Jasmine. And then, like I said, we got partnerships going on. I already talked about this last week. They're coming out with the English version of Secure PC. So yeah, we just got to be patient on that one. Like I said, I know I am. But then, like I said, Q4 lockup, that's going to be about the same as that's going to be around the same time as the Bitcoin halving. So yeah, that's another reason why you want to be patient on jasmy. The fact that, like I said, Q4 lockup is going to be around like, March, April. It could, I think the Q4 lockup could be right before the Bitcoin halving, but like I said, which is what jasmy is, what, 50 billion max supplies, but the Q4 lockup allegedly, supposedly, 35 billion, around 35 billion is supposed to get locked in, which means that's going to leave about 15 billion. That's going to leave about 15 billion tokens out there in the circulation. And so yeah, about 35 billion is allegedly supposed to get locked up by the the for the for the institutions in Korea, Japan, and China. So like that's the reason why, yeah, I do not want to miss this opportunity. I'll be darned to sell off my million tokens, and then this thing, pumps up to like 5 cents by January, February. This thing pumps up to like 5 to 10 cents, and I've lost out on possibly up to 100 grand. No way. Yeah, so this is the reason why I'm holding for financial freedom. I'm willing. This is the risk that I'm willing, to take. Let's check out some news. Check out some crypto news on CoinDesk. Yeah, we look like we're definitely gonna hit that 42K. Okay. It says introducing most influential 2023. It says Bitcoin tops 42K as crypto market recovers pre-Terra levels. So yeah, it already hit 42K. So it looked like we're just gonna be heading back up there. Yeah, we hit the 42K like around, I think it was like close to 3 o'clock in the morning. I know because I was actually looking at my phone when it happened. I was like, wow. FEMAX celebrates 4 years of unlocking blockchain potential, enters a new era by pledging to share revenue. Okay, El Salvador's Bitcoin investment in the black, says but President Bukele. We have no intention of selling, Bukele added. Okay, asset manager, asset manager, Arbindin crypto exchange Arc Archax strive for a pole position in race to tokenize TradeFi. Having created trading pairs on Archax between Bitcoin and tokens, showing ownership of Arbidin money market fund. The firms talk for the first time about using this institution. Just going over the headlines. Coinbase MicroStrategy jump as Bitcoin rallies. Yep. That guy Michael Saylor, he knew exactly what he was doing when he kept buying Bitcoin. He really loaded up on his Bitcoin when it was cheap. Michael Saylor and Kathy Wood, they knew exactly what they were doing. They knew what was coming in the next like year or so. It says tokens linked to Terra shoot 70% on Bitcoin linking burn program. Wow, it looked like Terra Luna. They're really burning their tokens. Shouts out to everybody who was into the whole Terra Luna project. Yeah, it's looking really good over there for you guys. But our time is going to be coming with Jasmine. Soon. Bitcoin market neutral bets offer 10% return as BTC tops 41K, analysts say. So now, this says these tokens have been among the strongest performers among the top 100 tokens by market cap. Okay. Alrighty. So that's some of the news headlines. Tokenization of RWs get pushed in Europe as XAA General buys SocGen green bonds and Ethereum. Okay. That's some of the news headlines I went over. Try to see whether tokens I want to take a look at. Alrighty. Okay, let's take a look at another token I was in. What's that? Okay, look at Sylo coin. Is that look like here's at 34% of a penny. I got in this play the other day, but I kind of felt that I got in too high. Um, I had converted my tokens from AOS and got into the Silo, but I got in at 40% of a penny. I probably should have waited. I didn't get wrecked too bad. It wasn't too bad, but I probably should have waited before. I'm still in it, but now I'm back looking at Swift coin now because that's a cheaper buy. So yeah, with Swift, I'll be holding more tokens anyways. With Swift, but yeah, it pumped a couple of times last night. It'll pump a little bit, then it'll pull right back. It moves very weird, you know. But the original pump was from 12 cents of a penny. It went from 12 cents of a penny all the way up to 40% of a penny. It pulled back a couple of times and then it pumped up to 40% of a penny. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I got in this play late. But I believe it can come bull run. This can possibly hit about 5 cents. I'll say 5 to 10 come bull run. Or I could just hold it long term. Just hold, unless if I'm just looking for a short term gain. But long term, going into 2024, I believe that this can possibly hit like 5 cents. I'll say 5 to 10 cents because I'm looking at the all time chart. The all time high was, let me see, the all time high for this coin looked like was only about 1 cent. It looked like here. Let me go back. What was that all time high? It looked like I'm trying to find here. Yeah, but look like the all-time high for this coin was only about 1 cent because I'm looking at the all-time. It's only down. The all-time chart is down 12%. So yeah, this I believe that this can get back to where it was, but it's still at a low market cap. It's only at an 8 billion market cap. So this thing definitely has time to grow. I could just be patient on it. But like I said, I got in late. But I believe that the next leg up, this can definitely possibly pump to like 50% of a penny or half a penny, but we'll see. But it's still got a lot of room to grow with that low market cap. It's only an 8 million market cap, and I do like the tokenomics for Silo. Uh, 2 point, what's that? Oh, okay, it has 10 billion in the max supply and 2.4 in circulation. That's 24% of the supply. I like the tokenomics. It's kind of similar to Swift Coin a little bit. Um, and they're both and actually Swipcoin market cap is actually smaller than this one, but it has the same about max micro. This is a pretty good micro cap. I think I'm gonna go ahead and stay in this micro cap, Silo, because I believe it can still pump. But I'm still eyeing, Swift between this one and Swift. If I see a better opportunity with Swift over Silo, I'm gonna go ahead and get back in Swift because it is cheaper. Because Swift hasn't really had a major pump yet. It'll pump a little bit and then it pulls right back. I don't understand why Swift does that. It's been doing that for a while now, but Swift is due for a major pump. But I don't know. This could pump again. The next leg up could be about 50% of a penny. So I'm gonna just hang back because I noticed that this coin has a tendency to pull back and then it'll like pump again. So I'm gonna see what this does. I'm gonna give it about another few days to see what Silo does. You know, right now Silo's at about 30, it's at about 34, 35% of a penny. So yeah, I'm gonna be patient with this play. I'm holding a million tokens, so I'm good. I'm holding a million along with my million Jasmy. So that's my portfolio as of right now. I'm holding my million Jasmine and my 1 million Silo tokens. That's yeah, that's my portfolio as of right now. But that like I said, we're CEOs of our own portfolios. So this can really change at any given time. You know what I mean? My portfolio can change at any given time. With this the silo play. But as far as my Jasmine position, hey, that's I'm not touching that. I'm holding that one until I'm writing that one out till 2024. My Jasmine position, I'm definitely writing that one out. But this one, my silo position, this can change at any given time. Basically, I use these funds to do quick trades, swing trades. See what opportunities I can get in on to build my liquidity more. You know, But yeah, but like I said, my jasmy, that one stinks. Yeah. Um, but yeah, hey, that's my take. That's my quick, update for the day. Hey, I will see you. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you're new here. Please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, you like the content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It just helps the algorithm. Hey, I hope everybody's have a good Monday, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.